History isn't just battles and dates. It's a collection of bizarre stories that sound completely made up. Let's start with the shortest war in history. The Anglo-Zanzibar War of 1896 lasted just 38 minutes. After a new sultan took power against British wishes, the Royal Navy showed up, fired on the palace, and it was all over before Londoners had finished their breakfast. Next, get this, when the Great Pyramids of Giza were being built, woolly mammoths were still alive. Seriously, while most had died out, a small population survived on an Arctic island until about 1650 BC, nearly 1,000 years after the pyramids were completed. Finally, in 1932, the Australian military literally declared war on emus. Farmers were struggling with thousands of birds destroying their crops, so soldiers with machine guns were sent in. The result? The emus were too fast and smart, scattering every time. The military eventually withdrew, defeated. The emus won. History is weird.